If you have Oppo F33 5G smartphone and you want to set your fingerprint lock, then this is the video for you. Open your settings, select privacy and security, scroll down, select device unlock, and then select face and fingerprint unlock. Select fingerprint, click on agree. Now firstly you have to set a screen lock, but if you have already done this, then you can skip this part, otherwise select next. You can select any of these password type. I'm selecting pattern. Wait for 5 seconds and then click on next. Draw your pattern, confirm your pattern, and then select add now. Then place your thumb or finger, whatever you want to add on the sensor like this, and then keep on tapping and then adjust the edges so that it can completely capture your fingerprint. Keep on tapping like this. And after this, click on done. Now you can easily unlock your smartphone with the help of your fingerprint in this Oppo F33 5G smartphone.